Hi, I'm Ana Castan.
My name is Jean-Paul Archer.
My name is Kevin.
Eliana Arce.
Laura Perea.
I am Ela Falam.
My name is Geoffrey.
Hi, my name is Tania. I'm from Portugal.
I'm from Brussels.
Colombia.
Saudi Arabia.
Spain.
Cali, Colombia.
So today we're on day 3 of the 2022 Design the Cycling City Masterclass. We've all just arrived in Amsterdam and we're going to go explore what cycling in this city is all about.
What I loved the most is the visit in Rotterdam, because Rotterdam is one of the most car-centric cities in the Netherlands.
What I enjoyed the most in this course is the intercity between Delft and Rotterdam. So I have never been going between cities by bikes, like the farms, the village. It was very exciting.
Been learning a lot about how to plan infrastructure for cycling.
It's something that you feel, oh, now I'm in a space with the cars, I need to watch out.
Most interesting fact I've seen is like the big size of bicycle parkings here. Downstairs the buildings, how it's managed, how you can enter, how you can exit. Everything is think about it. It's easily the stairs, they go like little step by step, very long. And you should also come here to the masterclass. It was very nice to hear and learn about it.
Well, thank you also for the organization. It was really great. We had a lovely time. Definitely recommend the Dutch Barrel.
Fellow students were amazing. I enjoyed the 3 days a lot, and I hope to see you all there next year.
Whoa!